LED display manufacturer with strong one-stop comprehensive service capabilities. As an excellent integrated LED solution provider, CRTOP performs well in R&D, private design, production, project support, and engineering installation and after-sales service. Our business mainly involves LED display, LED lighting, and LED illuminations, etc. CRTOP's production base is located in Guangzhou, covering 30,000 square meters of self-built factory. Not only do we have advanced SMT production and assembly equipment, but also 25 patents, 70 software copyrights, 4 registered trademarks, and more than 10 patents transformation achievements. After 26 years of accumulation, our products have reached the leading level in the industry, especially in the project products. CRTOP advantageous product cover 5-pixel pitch LED displays, rental displays, indoor and outdoor LED displays, advertising screen, LCD/LED all-in-one displays, transparent screen, car screens, 3D screens, energy-saving screens, stage screen, etc. Our current qualifications have CE, CB, FCC, PSE, EMC, RoHS, etc. And our products support high and stable quality, reliable design, beautiful appearance, and great display effect, which are appraised by lots of customers. Through years of efforts, our customers are located worldwide, like the European, South American, and Asia Pacific markets. And CRTOP has established a perfect after-sale channel, building local warehouse to provide better service to our customers.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.